not an easy trail. It started off really good. I can't hear you. Yeah.
You got it. First
I'm not doing it.
First gear, you got the top.
No. You're crazy. I'm not trying it.
Come on. You gotta try something on the bike. Let's go.
I will, but not that.
It's easy. It's not as steep. It's nowhere near as steep as it looks. Y'all are crazy. It's really not.
I just got on this bike.
I know exactly. Get the fingers out of the way now.
No.
Come on. Look at this. You just brought up it.
Is that first gear?
Huh?
Is it first gear?
First gear is going. What is launch this bike up?
My heart. It hurts. Did you sit down or did you stand up?
Sat down.
Oh, he told me I should have stood up.
Probably so.
I don't want to do it again.
I think we did okay.
Buddy, I was about to puke.
Stand up this time and do it in second gear. It's way easier.
Standing up scares the crap out of me.
You'll learn that. You can stand up and you can lean forward. You'll ride right up it.
Y'all, I'm jittery. Sometimes I want to punch him. Today is the day.
That was good. That was so smooth. Good job.
Oh, just stand up a little bit, that's it?
So Megan just ride over it. Yeah!
Right back a little bit. And now start it right there. And when you take off, put your feet on your pegs and just go. Yep. And you'll roll right over.
No, my first drop!
Drop!
Oh no!
Good, now you can have fun with it.
Oh, good wheelie! I can't do it either.
Good job. Pretty smooth. Very steep hill. Look at there. Just riding right over the logs that they ain't even sitting there.
Woo! Close call.
Got this. You know where we're going, right?
Yeah, I feel.
Yeah.
I'm so nervous.
No, you're doing good standing up. You're gonna be all right. You got it. Yeah, like it's nothing. All right, babe. Your turn.
I'm nervous!
Go.
I went two to the left, didn't I?
Yeah, but
And not enough power?
not quite enough power, but you did keep your feet on until the very last minute.
So I did good there.
Bring it back down and go up with it. How are you going to do it?
Just slide it back down, I don't care.
You going to try it again?
Yeah. Husband's making me. Why is it so nerve-wracking?
You haven't done it yet.
On this bike.
As soon as you do it, you'll be fine with it.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
Let's go, Megan.
That's exactly how you do it.
I don't think that's how it's supposed to be.
All you had to do was let off the gas.
I don't want to do it again. I made it up. I'm up.
I made it without crashing. You got this. Is that first? Yeah, first. It's got some range in first.
Okay, well, you made that look so easy.
All about the speed. The only difference between your and his runs is that he's coming out of the gate on the gas. You're getting a little traction and then you're throttling. He's just dumping the clutch and just going.
Do you not know what a clutch is?
But I made it.
Yeah.
You did get a little crease on the fender that time.
All right, we'll call that good enough. That's two, one fail and two yeets, but both of them made it. Good job.
Yeah, nice job. You got it.
I mean, I guess.
Hard on Brandon.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Right there, Megan.
Ooh, I got a cold chill. He's going fast. All right.
Go. Feet on the pegs.
Woo! I stayed on it. Did you see that ground wheelie, boy? Stayed right on it.
This hill's called something, right? What's this hill called? It's just 4-stroke folly part 2. Oh, the root is down there. That's the one Megan needs position on. The 125 wouldn't do it.
I don't want to do that today. Not today. Maybe another day. I did the itsy bitsy spider.
Just first gear, sit on the front of your seat, and just go at the top. Feet on the pegs.
Hold on! I'm good. I did too.
I think you can do is just keep going and go wide. It goes wide too, but you come back down.
Well, I was already focused on. Whew. That wasn't too bad, but I was going sideways everywhere.
All right, so right here, the girls decided to try one of the harder hill climb sections by themselves, and it turned out to be pretty amusing.
It looks a little steep. I don't know. right there. You think I could start off right here again? She said, yeah. Savannah. I'm sure I can. I don't think I can start from here. There's gotta be. Well, this was not an easy trail. It started off really good. Oh God, I gotta ride down this thing. Yep. This is what happens when you do big girl stuff, Megan. Nah, we're good. Oh God, man. No, they weren't supposed to see this. God, now they're gonna make me really do it. I don't want. Yeah, probably.
I don't think it's in gear.
What does that mean, Savannah? Just kidding. Hey, I'm okay. Watch out, Savannah. No, but I made it.
You did get a little crease on the fender that time, but all right, we'll call that good enough.